What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are at Bansilal Stepwell and I was not expecting this place to look so beautiful in real life. Like bro, look at the symmetry. It genuinely feels like something straight out of a movie, and the deeper you go inside, the crazier the vibe gets. So we are here at the Bansilal Stepwell and we have about 1, 2, and 3 galleries and then something around on the top, and we have the main part there. We'll visit later, and now let's go to the gallery 1. So this stepwell is believed to be around 300 years old and was built during the Nizam era. Back then, places like these were extremely important because they stored water for nearby areas. There were no modern pipelines at that time, so people actually depended on stepwells like this for survival. And this is the 3D model of the stepwell. I think this is the entrance, and then we have some corners to sit around. This was the first gallery. Now we'll go to the second gallery. This is the tickets of how this is like. But here is the main part that shocked me at the most. This beautiful place was completely destroyed by garbage. For decades, people used this area like dumping yard. Slowly, the entire structure disappeared under waste. And according to report, thousands of tons of garbage had to be removed from here. Bro, thousands. You understand it? Imagine a place this beautiful being forgotten like that. But thankfully, restoration work started a few years ago back then, and the Telangana government, along with the restoration teams and environmentalists, worked to bring this place back to life. Now, look at this transformation from a dump yard to one of the Hyderabad's most coolest hidden places. Okay, this is insane. Bro, photographers would absolutely love this place. Even 2 seconds I'm stopping because another shot looks crazy. And not gonna lie, at some points this place actually feels haunted. If somebody appears behind me right now, I'm ending the vlog immediately. But due to the lights and all and the environment and the people around me, it's okayish. But honestly, places like this deserve way more appreciation. People travel all around the world searching for beautiful architecture, while see this hidden masterpieces like this exist right beside us, right beside. And what makes this place special isn't just for its architecture, it's the comeback history, it's a comeback story. The thing from a dump yard to this most modern, the most elegant look, a place people forgot and it is now brought back to life. This place surprised me way more than I expected. If you enjoyed this vlog, make sure to like, share and subscribe and share this video so that you can also bring some of your friends and then come and visit this place. Would you? Let's see. And I'll see you back in the next one. Keep exploring, keep sharing and keep commenting. Thank you. Bye bye.